Welcome to this tutorial on how to book a yacht in the stunning destination of St. Martin. If you're dreaming of a luxurious and scenic yacht experience in the Caribbean, but don't know where to start, this video will guide you through every step of the booking process. By the end, you'll know exactly how to rent a yacht, understand the costs, and have a clear idea of the services offered. We'll start by going through the basics of the platform, which makes finding and booking a yacht straightforward. First, you'll want to create an account to access all available yacht options. The platform's interface is easy to navigate, and you can search by location, yacht size, dates, and amenities. This makes it convenient for first-time users who may be new to the process. Once logged in, use the search filters to narrow down your options based on your preferred location, budget, and yacht type. For instance, in St. Martin, you'll find yachts of all sizes, from intimate two-person vessels to spacious options for larger groups. The site offers detailed descriptions of each yacht, including specifications, amenities, and what's included in the rental package. After choosing a yacht, you'll see a breakdown of costs. It's important to review these closely, as costs can vary based on the yacht size, amenities, and season. You'll also see additional fees like fuel, taxes, and sometimes a cleaning fee. The transparency in the pricing structure helps ensure that there are no surprises later on. If you're ready to proceed, booking is as simple as selecting your dates and clicking through to the checkout process. Payment options are flexible, making it easy to complete your reservation. During the booking process, there's also an option to add extras, such as a personal chef or crew. These services enhance the experience, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy your trip. However, if you prefer a more private experience, you can skip these options and sail independently. One of the advantages of this platform is customer support. Should you have any questions about the yachts, the booking process, or need assistance with your trip planning, support is readily available to guide you. Users have reported positive experiences with the service, highlighting the responsiveness and helpfulness of the team. Now, let's talk about some downsides. While the platform is generally easy to use, some users have noted that peak season prices can be quite high, which might be a drawback for budget-conscious travelers. Also, since it's a popular service, availability can be limited if you don't book well in advance, especially for popular locations like St. Martin. Planning early is key to securing your ideal yacht. Booking a yacht in St. Martin through this platform is a streamlined and user-friendly experience. You can book your yacht now by following my link in the description, which will take you directly to the site. If this guide has helped you feel confident about booking a yacht, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more travel tips and honest reviews on luxury experiences worldwide.